For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
It has been a year that self-styled godman Nityananda fled India to escape his arrest in a rape trial. However, the fugitive self-styled godman is making headlines for releasing the official currency for his Hindu nation. Nityananda chose the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi to unveil his new central bank and freshly minted currency of Kailasa. Kailasa is Nityananda's Hindu sovereign nation, which he claims to have founded in 2019. He launched the Reserve Bank of Kailasa and presented its official currency called Kailasian dollars. Nityananda launched the Kailasian dollars by offering prayers to Lord Ganesha. An announcement on Kailasa's official website states that the launch marks a milestone and historical moment for Sri Kailasa nation. Nityananda launched the central bank and currencies and announced that they would become functional very soon. He claims that the currencies would come into use in countries that sign diplomatic treaties with Kailasa. The governor and directors will be selected from amongst Kailasa's sannyasis. A press release on Kailasa's website states that a team of monastic members read several research papers on Hindu economic policies. The team of monastic members at Kailasa pored over 100 books and 360 articles and research papers on Hindu economic policy while developing the economic policy and currencies. Kailasa today is honored to be presenting the currencies inspired purely from the currencies and policies of the ancient 56 Hindu nations, which were Hindu nations in the past. The statement says Hinduism had 56 nations, including Kumarakandam, which was the source of Hinduism connecting all of the nations. In a video released on YouTube, Nityananda was seen holding Kailasa's new currency. The new currency contains 77 types of gold coins of at least 8 different denominations. The denominations include half Kailasian dollar, 1 Kailasian dollar, and so on till 10 Kailasian dollars. Nityananda, the most wanted self-styled godman, is claimed to have founded the only Hindu nation in the world in 2019. There is much speculation about whether Kailasa exists within a physical territory. Its official website states it is a nation without borders created by dispossessed Hindus from around the world. However, some reports suggest that there is a physical nation, which is a private island near Trinidad purchased from Ecuador. Kailasa has its own government with several departments including health, education, commerce, information broadcasting, among others. Nityananda is referred to as the Supreme Pontiff of Kailasa. The search for the self-styled godman intensified last year after a couple from Tamil Nadu complained of him abducting their children. The police booked Nityananda on charges of kidnapping and wrongful confinement of children. He was also accused of abducting and torturing a 19-year-old woman. Even as Indian authorities continued their manhunt to nab him, Nityananda's presence remains unknown.